Welcome back to another video here on the second channel. On Saturday, on my main channel, I uploaded this video of Grian's game of tag from the Hermitcraft server. We turned that into a data pack to aid you in playing the game, and now we have an update to it. So if we go to Vanilla Tweaks, where we're keeping our data packs for now, you will see that we have updated to version 2.0. So when you download this and put it into your data packs folder, remember to delete the original file because it is not the same name and you don't want both packs running at the same time. Now, we had a lot of feedback and there were some things that we couldn't do and things that we could that we added into the pack. But the first thing that I want to talk about is the honor system. The idea of this data pack was to aid you in playing the game, to make the passing of the tag between players easier, to color code their names, give you some features to make playing the game on a server a little bit easier. Now, the idea of the honor system is that you don't try and exploit the rules and vulnerabilities. For example, if you have an AFK player and you were to hit them with the tag, it would say player is AFK, can't tag them, but then they would have moved, so then they would no longer be AFK and you could tag them. Now, the idea was just to remind a player that tagging an AFK player is against the rules if they accidentally do that, so you can work around it. But the idea is this pack is to help you play the game and it's not a solid concrete set of rules. Yeah, so a solution for that would be very difficult to find with a data pack, and if there was one, it would be very intensive and probably not very reliable. So we don't have a solution for that, but we do have a solution for something else. A lot of people noticed that you could just tag each other willy-nilly back and forth as fast as you like, and now what we've done is added a cooldown to that. But first of all, let's type /trigger and then go to TG help. This will bring up a little menu right here, and you can actually click on the things in this menu. So first of all, you can toggle tag messages. That isn't a new feature, that was in the first edition of the game, but now you can just click here and it will do it for you, right? So you click to run the command. Then we have toggle tag cooldown. So you can turn the tag cooldown feature on and off, and this is the new main feature, that there's actually a cooldown. So if I go and tag Asuma, I would then, as Asuma, have to wait a little bit before tagging this player back. That's what the cooldown does. So you can turn that on and off with this command, and then here you can set the amount as well. This doesn't work if you set it to 0 minutes though. Okay, so the smallest value you can put in right here, the red text is what you're going to change. The rest of the command has been laid out for you. If I put 1 there, that's 1 minute. So don't put 0. What you need to do is actually turn off the tag cooldown if you don't want it to be running. So if I do this, it means there's a 1 minute cooldown between me and the other player. Now, when you first load up the pack, the cooldown is 0 by default, and thus you can start tagging players straight away. If you reload the pack, it doesn't affect the cooldown counter as well. So now if I go tag this player, I have tagged Asuma, and now I am Asuma. I'm going to go tag Asuma Void, but oh wait a minute, tag game on cooldown, 1 minute is left. So it even counts down and remembers how much time you have, which is absolutely fantastic. Now, what I really like about this is that you can change the way you want the game to be played with this right here. So maybe you turn it off and you're fine with people tagging each other back and forth. Maybe you want them to wait a little bit. You know, the idea of the game on Hermitcraft is if someone swoops into your base and tags you and it's like, I've got you, you don't just tag them back straight away. That would have been done with the honor system. Now you can do it with this. But what you could also do is maybe set this to a really high number where the player has to wait 24 hours before they can go and tag someone else again. And that lets you shape the game a little bit more to your own liking. And I think that's fantastic. So MSpace Dev, once again, doing a fantastic job with the data packs. Possibly there might be another update to this. I don't know. If you've got any ideas for features, suggest them in the comments down below. But that's it from me this video. So thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.